Hi, hello, my Cancer friends. How are you doing? I hope you are doing fine. So, this reading is going to be your November general reading. So, first we will tap onto your general energy at the moment, then we will do your career reading for the month of November, and finally, we will jump into your love reading. All right. So, spirit guides and angels, what is the general energy of my Cancer friends? At the moment, please, what is the general energy of my Cancer friends at the moment? All right, so your heart and mind space at the moment. Queen of Cups, you are feeling very compassionate right now, but at the same time, yeah, probably you're the cause of your heartbreak. Okay, so Ten of Swords is here, representing heartbreak, representing pain, representing the feeling of being stabbed at the back. But that might be because you have been too much giving. All right, and also the Magician card is here. All right, one more. Yeah, the lovers. Wow, this seems like a love situation. All right, you are trying to manifest your love into your life, but then it has been long time. Since you have been waiting, and you are now feeling very very heavy. Here you are, extending your cup of love to the person whom you desire, but then that person has kept you waiting for so long that you feel like either you are depressed by this thought that it will take a very long time for you to manifest this person into your life, or you are giving up on this hope that you will ever be able to manifest this person into your life. Okay, because these two cards of the Magician and the Lovers is followed by, they are followed by Ten of Swords. All right, so something is there, but it definitely seems to be like the love scenario of yours, which is dominating your general energy at the time. All right, so now let us move on to career reading, and then probably we can connect something related to this heavy energy of yours into your love life while the love reading is going on. So as of now, let us look at the career part of yours. So how is my Cancer friends career going to be like in the month of November? Okay, the Tower. All right, so it seems like your love life is going to affect your career as well. And then Temperance card is here, the Hanged Man. All right, so you are being asked to step out of this heavy energy, whatever it is, which we channeled in the general energy of yours. Whatever it is, you are being called to let go of that heavy energy, and you are being called to come out of that. I know, I'm feeling like, yeah, it seems like universe is telling you that I know that it's a very depressing thought for you to think that you'll have to let go of the person whom you have been waiting for so long, Cancer. Okay, so there is clearly somebody whom you have been waiting for a very very long time, and that has affected you psychologically so much that your career also, you are not doing very good, it seems like. And to snap out of this energy, this what to say, a fantasy world is what I'm seeing over here. Okay, so it seems like you really really like someone. It could be a twin flame situation as well for some of you, because it seems like you are stuck. Although you have so much of love, you cannot really move forward and express your love to this person, is the sense that I'm getting. And hence, although you have been trying to manifest, you have been using law of attraction. Okay, many of you have been using law of attraction, and you have been trying to manifest this person, but because this person hasn't come to your life, it has affected your career and your every aspect of life, is what I'm seeing. Okay, because the Hanged Man is here, have the new perspective towards life altogether, is what you are being asked to do. Okay, that will be one requirement, or that is what you will be doing in the month of November. All right, so Temperance is here, which means leaving things to the divine to some extent. Okay, have being patient and having and building that trust upon the universe that good things are along your way, and not being afraid of the tower is the requirement. Okay, so some sort of tower moment is about to happen to you, or it has already happened to you, or it has, before the crumbling down of the tower, that shake that happens at the beginning, you are feeling that shake up already. Okay, and you are feeling like, I need to let go of this fantasy world of mine, and that is the biggest nightmare for you, Cancer. I'm feeling really very 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 sympathetic towards you, because to let go of that beautiful world which you have created in your mind all of a sudden definitely gives you a tower moment. And look how your love life is slowly transitioning into the career reading. Okay, so basically your love life at the moment is affecting every aspect of your life, is what I'm getting over here. Okay, that is bringing about the tower moment, and this tower moment which is happening is affecting you in your social life, in your career life, in your love life, definitely. But yeah, you are heartbroken, you are totally scared of something, you are totally scared of letting go of this person, is the sense that I'm getting. All right. So basically, you kept on building something on the false foundation. I'm sorry that I'm saying that, but that is what I'm seeing over here. You definitely like somebody very, very deeply, but this person seems to have already moved on, and hence there is, no contact at all. But then you have remained in his or her memory for such a long time, and you have been contemplating and daydreaming about so many things for such a long time that you feel like, if I am to let go of this now, I'm going to die. I can't breathe. Then there would be nothing else remaining for me to, remain alive in this world. Wow, I just heard some of you might go through some, mental imbalance as well. I'm so sorry I'm saying that, but then I can see that over here. All right. And in order to bring about that, newer and fresher perspective towards life, which will motivate you to continue with your, life, no matter how it is, that is going to take a lot from you. That is going to require a lot of patience. And once that tower moment will definitely happen, but don't be scared, everything is fine. If you overthink about these tower moments and try to make them big, they'll become as bigger as you want them to be. But then if you want to minimize them, you need to minimize your worries and your thoughts that you invest upon your mind for these tower moments. Just let go of things. All right, let go of things. You are holding on so tight that you are hurting yourself. Cancer, some of you needed to hear this today. Okay, that is why this channel is coming through. Your love life is eating away your career life. You are not being able to do anything. Why is the tower card over here? I'm so sorry. Why is the tower card over here, please? Why is the tower card over here? King of Pentacles, somebody boss like figure. Yeah, Three of Swords. So yes, somebody broke your heart, definitely. And or you know it already, that if you go and propose this person, this King of Pentacles is a very rich person, unusually rich. All right, so it seems like this is the person of authority as well. This could be the boss at your workplace. Okay, that is what I'm getting. Wow, I heard teacher student love relationship also. I don't know, it might resonate with some of you. This teacher might be a male and you might be a female, and you two might have had some level of crush upon each other. But then this person, this teacher, whoever is that, that person walked away because they might have realized at some point of time that this is simply not right. It is almost like a taboo and I'm not supposed to do it. Okay, so probably they moved on, but then you have been clinging on. It seems like this person is very, very good looking. They have long hair and they always keep some amount of beard, and yeah, they're quite tall and they have a particular sense, dressing sense, which you really like. They have very, very, they wear handsome shoes. Yeah, and this person is doing really, really well. But mostly what they are abundant upon, when we say King of Pentacles, we definitely mean a very, very abundant person. But over here, in case of this person, you can see how good looking this person is. I feel like a fair person with dark brown hair and yeah, thick eyebrows, pointed nose, very, very handsome, very sharp looks. Okay, of this person is what is mesmerizing you, Cancer. And you are not being able to let go of the thought of this person. You are crazy about this person. You are fantasizing about this person all the time. You feel like you simply cannot live if you let go of this dream of yours. But then this person seems to have moved on already. This person definitely left you heartbroken. You definitely made several attempts, but then this person did not reciprocate on anything that you have been doing. This person who seems like a boss figure to me, it seems like you made several attempts, but then they, yeah, because they are in power, they are in authority, they played you in such a way that you are now left alone, you are left out in the cold, and you can feel the shake already. You know that you'll have to let go of that dream of yours, but you are so much scared to let go. You feel like then you will lose the purpose of life. All right, Cancer. That is the sense that I'm getting. And this career reading didn't happen to be the career reading so much. You are not doing well at your workplace. Wow, the moon card. Look at this. Yes, this person is full of mystery. Okay, and yes, I just heard, because this person is so much secretive. This makes this connection even more and more attractive to you. This connection, you find it so mysterious, you find it so, um what to say, you just gravitate back to it. You cannot let go of it. When you think of this person, wow, this person is so well dressed, this person looks really good, very strict, you know a boss that moves around and that instructs their employees. Wow, these are the elements of heartbreak. Wow, this person, whomever you are dealing with, this person, like, they are habituated to breaking people's hearts. It doesn't have to be in love relationship, but wherever they go, they speak in such a way that their sharp words just cut through. Okay, and they remain in people's mind for a very long time. Same thing happened to you. You got so triggered by this person, but then when you tried to approach, at the beginning they were kind to you, so you thought that probably they are also falling for you, but eventually they just walked away. And yeah, nobody ever came and told you that, baby, this person is not yours. This person is something else. You are not grown up enough in order to understand this, this type of personality. So just let go of this. Nobody was there to guide you in this way. So here is the message for you. All right, it seems like those of you who are watching this, you are probably considerably younger than your crush. Yeah, for some of you, you are like student and teacher. Being the student, you are attracted to the teacher. This teacher was also kind to you. You two were like talking, and at that time you felt like, wow, this person really likes me, and then I cannot live without him, he's so charming, this and that. But then later on, they just walked away. They have a girlfriend or a boyfriend maybe. All right, but yeah, some of you are stuck in the workplace love scenario, and you really like your boss, but then they have broken your heart so many times already. You try to approach, and every time you got such sharp replies from this person that you got totally heartbroken. And now this person is totally secretive. You feel like you don't know it. This person is ghosting you right now, and they are doing it purposely. It's not like you two fell in love and then now, in order to ignore you in relationship, they are ghosting you. No, this person has come to know that you have absolutely fallen for them, and hence they are now required to ghost you to teach you a lesson. Wow, you are being taught a lesson. Wow, you are in a very miserable condition, Cancer. I'm so sorry I'm saying this, but snap out, leave this person, kick this person's thought out, and move on. All right, Cancer, that is my suggestion to you. This is a very annoying situation that you are in. Probably some of you required to hear this today. Just kick this person out. There will be many other people who will be better suited for you. All right, so those people who match your energy, who match your age, who like the things that you like, with whom you can gel up easily. Go after such person. Don't go after what looks good on the outside. All right, Cancer, some of you needed to hear this. All right, so yeah, I'm not even going to clarify anything, because the message is so clear. So let us seek for the advice then. Okay, what will be the outcome and advice? So yeah, this reading, it seems like so what should they be doing? If this is the workplace scenario, then what should my Cancer people be doing now? Because they have fallen for their boss. Yeah, the World card, 7 of Wands. Yeah, so yeah, look for the prosperity. Leave, let go of whatever you have been thinking of the love scenario that is developing in your workplace. Just let go of that. Okay, and think about travel. Think about the world. Think about, basically, the World card for today for me in this career reading comes as the card which reminds you to widen your horizon. Look at these two children looking at this world. Okay, looks like earth, right? So it seems like spirit guides are telling you that, let go of all that crappy, love scenario, love situation in the workplace. Let go of all of that and look out in the horizon, look at the world, try to get to know more about the world, read more books, explore more opportunities. Then you will find, then your eyes will be opened to so many better and new opportunities. You are supposed to be after that and be very very determined about getting new work situation for you. And then if you do that, if you are able to walk away, yeah, because you are being told to open your eyes to the larger world. Definitely, you are being told to be determined. Seven of Wands, determination, right? You are being told to be determined about getting yourself out of this situation, because trust that world is not going to crumble simply because you let go of this situation. Okay, world will not come to an end. There's so much more to the world, is what this card is telling me today. And yes, Seven of Wands, be determined to find the new work situation for yourself, and then you will see that you will be very very abundant. Nine of Pentacles, yes, much prosperity will come if you will be able to leave this workplace situation altogether. Just get out, let go of that person whom you really really like, let go of that fantasy world, let go of this job as well. Start over, be determined, keep on working, and then you'll get your happiness in career. All right, so Cancer, now I will move on to your love reading. All right, so let us have some more insights using the new deck for your love situation. All right, so because we know about the past, we know about the current situation of yours, Cancer. All right, so we will ask spirit guides, what new is coming your way in the month of November in your love life. What new thing, what new love scenario is headed your way in the month of November? Okay, so what is new for my Cancer friends out there in their love life in the month of November? What is new? We don't want old, we want to let go of the old. What is new? What is new for my Cancer persons? What is new? I'm very excited. Wow, King of Pentacles. Okay, so King of Pentacles is coming your way. Let go of this person, another one will come out. Yeah, change. King of Pentacles, yes. Similar kind of personality whom you have fallen for currently. Okay, you have fallen for somebody, a boss-like figure. King of Pentacles was there then as well. Okay, but then, yeah, just keep your eyes open and keep your mind open as well. All right, so because change is headed your way. 5 means, 5 is the number of change. All right, in numerology 5 is the number of change. 5 means struggle as well. 5 means, yeah, and 5 also means taking yourself out of your comfort zone. Your comfort zone right now is your fantasy world where you have built up a beautiful love scenario between you and your King of Pentacles. But it seems like either these cards are telling that a new King of Pentacles, not this boss figure, but somebody similar to that or somebody better than that is coming your way, or these two cards in combination are telling you that let go of this King of Pentacles and then new things will head your way. Okay, so what else for my Cancer friends in their love life in the month of November? What new is coming? Okay, yeah, Page of Swords. So you'll receive news. The Empress, either you are being told to be in this Empress energy, or you are being told that yeah, number one message with these two cards is that you be in the Empress energy. Do not be after anyone. Do not keep on texting somebody. Do not keep on crying for that person. Do not keep on going and standing at the place where you can see them. If you have been stalking them in that way, in the crazy state of mind, then let go of that and be in the Empress energy. Be with yourself, take care of yourself. Okay, look like the queen, do the makeover, do something, treat yourself, spoil yourself, so that message of love will come along your way on its own. You don't have to do anything. You can keep on sitting like this and then the love message will just head your way. All right, yeah, that is the number one message. Or maybe Page of Swords, pages are immature energy, so maybe spirit guides are also trying to tell you that once you start vibing high like this Empress, many kind of people will be attracted towards you. Some of them might also be like the pages, so be careful of them. You don't want pages in your life. You don't want flighty player kind of energy in your life. You want the true lover, somebody who appreciates you. So wait for that person. Okay, so what else is there for my, okay, yes, Yes. So learn to create the balance. Yeah, you are obsessing over this person. Create balance, okay? So in your love life, you need to let go of this person, whoever is in your mind right now. You just let go of that because you are becoming obsessive towards this person. You are obsessively thinking about this person. You are either continuously binge watching these YouTube videos, or you are continuously sitting there and then you are imagining about your person so much that it has become your obsession and you don't even know it. So spirit guides are like, it is high time for you to create that balance. Two of Wands, card of balance. Create the balance. Let go of this thought, let go of this obsessive thought. Wow, they are like crying and screaming towards you. Spirit guides are like, telling you so loud and clear, let go, let go, let go of this person. That is the theme. Okay, yeah. So take yourself out from that mental anguish, mental struggle which you are in. Okay, now spirit guides, we want to see what is the advice for my Cancer friends. What is the advice for my Cancer friends when it comes to their love life in the month of November? What is the advice for my Cancer friends in their love? Wow, yes. Okay, look, that will come, that message will come, that message of love. Okay, so because these two cards have come back to back, Four of Wands is the card of marriage, is the card of long term stability, proposal, somebody giving rings to you, somebody calling you and telling you that they want to marry you, somebody showing up at your workplace, at your home with a bouquet of flowers and asking you out and then taking it to the next level, either talking about marriage or talking about moving in together or talking about the engagement which they are planning, or maybe they are telling you that I want to take you to meet my family, something. But definitely a very loving message is coming along your way. Okay, so what else is there in the advice? Wow, this is beautiful. All right, so Page of Wands. Yeah, I don't know why I'm feeling like, yeah, 10 of Pentacles. So 10 of Pentacles, definitely that happiness will come, that passionate new beginning which you are looking for. You want a very you want messages of love, you want messages of passion. You will get both of them, and then you will get the message of stability as well. Look at this, and prosperity. Look at this. Wow, success in love, success in love. 10 of Pentacles and 4 of Wands together. So what else for my Cancer friends? Okay, I'll take, yeah, the Moon, the Hermit. Look at this. Okay, so if you are feeling confused right now, so here's the real message for you. Okay, so these are the confirmations that definitely good thing will come along your way, Cancer friends. Okay, so you need to 2022 when I was saying that. So definitely good things are headed your way, but right now your mind is so blinded by the obsession that you have with this person that you are thinking that if this person won't be in my life, then I'll never be happy again, is the sense that you're in. But spirit guides, now look what they're telling. Yes, marriage will come along your way, engagement will come along, that prosperity will come along. You'll have that best of the emotionally fulfilling life that you have always been wanting with your romantic partner. That will come along your way, but it's only that the person will be different, so be open to that. Okay, so if anything confuses you right now, which is indicated by the Moon card, then let it be. Okay, let it go and be in the hermit mode for some time. Do not wait for anyone, do not expect for anyone. Just understand that universe will definitely bring that soulmate of yours along your way if you let go of things. If you are able to let go of things, then things will come to you, is the message for you. All right, Cancer, so let go is the theme of your reading. Some of you really needed this, so you got it today. So snap out of whatever stalemate kind of energy that you're in and just be, keep yourself open, remain calm and patient, and keep yourself open to the new love that is headed your way. There's so much of happiness for you. I'm so happy for you, Cancer. So this is your reading. I hope it helps. If it does, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and come back again. Bye, Cancer.